Welcome students. Now in this video we are going to see the minor sheet metal operations. Okay. So what are these operations? So what we are left with, the minor sheet metal operations. So what are the minor sheet metal operations? So number one, we are having the perforating operation. Perforating. So what is mean by perforating? Perforating is the sheet metal operation in which for a given sheet or in the given sheet we are producing a many number of the small holes. Okay, so this is the perforating operation. So produce a many number of holes in a many number of small holes in a given sheet. This is known as the perforating. Next, if we talk about the notching operation. So what is notching operation? So it is again sheet metal operation in which the piece of the material is removed from the edges of the given sheet. Suppose the sheet is given to you like this, and you are going to remove the material from the edges like this, like this. Okay, so this is known as the notching operation. Third operation is what? You are having the lancing operation. Lancing operation. So what is lancing operation? So in the same operation you can bend the sheet and also you can cut the sheet. So here you got the bend and here you got the cut sheet, and this is our punch. So of course this is die. So this is bend portion and this is cut part. Okay, so this is the lancing operation. In a single or at a single stroke we bend the die as well as we cut the die. So in single operation we bend the sheet as well as we are going to cut the sheet. That is the lancing operation, or you can simply see like this. So you are having some half circle cut and that you are going to bend into the sheet itself. So this is the lancing operation. Next we are having the slitting operation. Slitting operation. So you are going to cut the coiled sheet into the coil form. You are going to cut the sheet along the lengthwise direction to get the long strips of the sheet. Okay, you are going to cut like a long strips from a given sheet. So this is known as the slitting operation. Okay, now if I talk about next operation, this is the fourth one. The fifth one is what? The nibbling operation. Nibbling operation. So we are discussing all minor sheet metal operations. So in the nibbling operation, in nibbling operation, what we are going to do by using the small punch. So in nibbling operation, suppose we are going to produce one big hole into a given sheet or some required contour. Okay, so by using many numbers of small punches, small punches, so like this. So by using many numbers of small punches we are going to get this hole or this contour. Okay, so this is the nibbling operation. So in simple manner you can say the production of the one big hole by using the many small number of punches, it is known as the nibbling operation. Next we are having the trimming operation. So what is this trimming operation? So to remove the excess material, which is in the form of say the flash. Okay, so suppose this is my part and this is the excess material around it is produced during the operation. Okay, in generally close die forging operation, this flash is going to produce, okay, this excess material, unwanted material. So this can be removed by this trimming operation. Okay, so to remove the excess material we are going to use this trimming operation. So dear students, so these are the minor sheet metal operations. Whereas for major sheet cutting operations we have seen punching, blanking, deep drawing and bending operation, isn't it? Thank you.